PH News Talk nagbabalik mga kababayan. Dito na ho tayo sa part 2 ng Day 16 impeachment dahil sa mga di po nakakalam, 400 million na ho ang nagagastos dito sa walang kakwenta-kwentang impeachment dahil na hanggang ngayon mga kababayan, wala pa rin sila napapatunayan kasi nag-fishing expedition pa rin ho ang prosecution team. Masana yung 400 million pesos na yan mga kababayan, marami pa natulungan na mamamayan natin na nasalanta ng baha. Mga mamamayan natin na ninakawan nito si Bangag. 'Di ba? Madami ng pamilya matutulungan ng 400 million mga kabayan. Baka sabihin nyo konti lang. Baka pili lang. Marami na hong matutulungan ng 400 million pesos na yan na sana natulungan na lang yung mga iba nating mga kababayan na hanggang ngayon mga kababayan binabaha na impeachment dahil pa rin ang inaatubag ng mga to. Diba? Anyways mga kabayan, bago lahat, isang like at subscribe, malaking tulong na ho yan sa ating channel sa mga gusto mong maging member ng ating community. Yung join button nandyan lang ho sa baba. Pasadahan na ho natin itong part 2 nitong Day 16 impeachment trial, ha?
So much. Now, going back, Madam Witness, going to the physical and financial...
Siya nga pala mga kabayan sa mga di po nakakaalam, nagsampa ko ng bagong case, kaso itong si BP Sara against dito kay Madriaga sa Department of Justice po ito mga kabayan. No? Maraming papeles at maraming files ang isinumite na itong si BP Sara at itong si Attorney Panel Jr. Tama. Sa DOJ ho yan. Balik na ho tayo sa Day 16 impeachment trial.
the plan for the so-called Good Governance Program, you will confirm you allocated 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
In facts, ma'am, as can be seen, show the plan again. You did not list specific activities under the Good Governance Program. Ulitin ko, wala po kayong inilista na mga specific, particular activities under the Good Governance Program. Wala po kayong nakalistang specific activities.
Objection, Your Honor. Original document rule, Your Honor.
Mhm. Can I explain? Can I rebut that?
Witness,
Your Honor, please?
what's your comment, Attorney Legutan?
Your Honor, I don't want to put the defense on the spot. Your Honor, please, that is, with all respect, a wrong invocation of the original document rule. The original document rule simply states na hindi po pwedeng magpresenta ng ebidensya na secondary kung hindi ipipresenta yung original. Pero, Your Honor, the fact na yung original ay nasa harap na sa isang witness, I don't see any where in the rules that will prohibit counsel from propounding questions on the basis of that document. For me,
Besides, counsel, Attorney Bakel, the counsel is not trying to change the contents of the document. He's merely asking the witness to explain the contents of the document. Ms. Acosta, you may answer, ma'am. Ang nilagay nyo lamang po, good governance, ano po yan?
program po.
Programs at wala po kayo nilagay na detalye ng mga programa yan.
Mm-mm.
Ay, wala po akong nilagay na detalye, Your Honor, kasi sa GC po, Your Honor, wala naman po nakabutang dito na i-itemize, Your Honor.
Aha. Now, let's go to paragraph 6.1 ng Joint Circular 2015. Mhm. Okay. Show it, please. Di po ba sa 6.1 sinasabi dyan? Cash advances shall be used for, yung term ginamit, ma'am, is specific detail, specific legal purpose. Okay? At saka 5.2.2, nakasulat dyan, agencies shall report the specific detail of the corresponding expenditures. In 2 instances po, nakasulat sa joint circular yung term na specific. And you will stand by your answer.
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Wait. I'm just confirming. Despite these 2 provisions, you are of the opinion, Madam, na walang requirement na dapat specific.
Argumentative, Your
programa.
Honor.
Objection is overruled. Witness will answer, please.
Your Honor, sa mga dokumento po nga i-attach dito sa confidential funds liquidation, daghan po ang document, Your Honor, na i-submit nimo nga na ay documents dito nga kailangan i-itemize nimo, Your Honor.
In the report.
Your Honor,
In the report.
isa sa mga dokumento nga i-attach nimo
Mhm.
dito, liquidate nimo sa confidential funds, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me state that for the record. Correct me if I'm wrong, Ma'am Gina. Yung binabanggit po niyong pag-comply, walang nakalagay specifically sa joint circular na dapat specific yon dun sa what's that, Council? Physical,
Physical and financial
plan.
plan po.
Pero sa dokumentong sinasubmit, nandun na yung mga detalye, Ma'am Gina.
Inana, Your Honor.
Yes?
Yan po.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Okay. But there is only, this is another question now. There is only a blanket program, general program, good governance program in the plan, and the plan did not mention any surveillance operations by specific number, location, or cost. Do you want me to repeat the question or you can
Objection,
answer
Your
now?
Honor. Asked and answered and original document rule, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor,
Not yet answered, Council. And again, same ruling as
Opo.
your point on the original
Opo.
document rule.
Ma'am, yung tanong is, wala pong specific mention ng specific number, location, or cost ng mga sinasabi niyong surveillance operations. Wala doon sa plano, di po ba?
Your Honor, unsa na, pwede mangutana, Your Honor, unsa na nga dokumento, Your Honor.
Katong plano po, yung plano po, physical and financial plan. Nakasulat dyan, good governance program. Anyways, Your Honor, please.
At this juncture, I will agree with Council for the respondent.
Oh.
Asked and answered,
Yes.
Council. That's her answer.
Thank you so much. Now, aside from walang surveillance operations by number, location, or costs, wala ding specific targets nakasulat sa plano for each of the program activities. Tama po ba? Walang specific targets this time.
Tanaan
Opo.
sana ko, Your Honor, ha.
By all means po.
For 2022, Your Honor.
2022, yes ma'am.
Sa amo ang physical financial plan, Your Honor,
Oo.
naikulong dito nga physical target, Your Honor.
Opo. Yes. Ma'am, okay, meron. Ma'am, yung tanong is, nakasulat lang dyan is, ma'am, number, period, of identified areas of surveillance conducted and monitored. And then yung pangalawa, letter B, yung ano lang, yung simbolo ng percentage, no? Percentage of activities implemented without specifying, una po, this is the first question, ano yung actual number? Wala po. Di po ba? Yes po.
Wala pa, Your Honor, kay wala pa
plano.
man na itabo. Plano pa man ni Your Honor.
Aha. Okay. So wala pa kasi plano pa lang and then you ask for 125 million pesos. Kahit wala pang activities, plano pa lang. Tama po ba?
Misleading,
Meron
Your
na po.
Honor.
It's not misleading.
Your Honor, the question...
That's a follow-up question, Your Honor. please.
Objection is sustained. Ask based on the document, Council.
Okay, now. The next issue.
You're referring to the physical target only, not
Yes,
the
ma'am.
actual plans.
Yes, sir. Now, nakalagay ba dyan yung actual number? Yes or no? May numero ba?
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Okay. May naka-indicate ba na percentage, actual percentage, under the category percentage of activities implemented? Wala po ba? Meron ba? Wala.
Wala pa, Your Honor. Pero gihimo na, Your Honor, kay naanay approval. Kung asa mi nakabalo, kung pila ang kwarta, Your Honor, kay naanay saro.
Now, okay. Ma'am,
Kindly translate that for the record.
who can translate that, please? Ano sabi niya? It's indicated because there's already a SARO. If the defense will stipulate on that
Parang
interpretation,
hindi yata ganun kay Cleon, Counsel.
you may have your own. Oh.
Your Honor.
The translation we're getting is it's not the number and percentage is not there. Yung percentage po at yung bilang wala po doon dahil kaka-release pa lang ng SARO. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That was the answer.
As best as we could, Counsel. Please proceed.
Now, the 2022 fiscal and financial plan allocated, ma'am, nag-allocate po ng 125 billion pesos kahit walang breakdown ng amount for each specific activity. Tama po ba?
As you answered, Your Honor.
Yeah, but there's another angle as to the amount relative to the activity, as to the budget that the Office of the Vice President is asking.
It's the
Go,
same
please.
point, Your Honor.
Same point, Counsel.
Okay,
Move on. We
move
get
on.
we get
Now.
what you have established.
Thank you so much. Now, therefore, Madam Witness, yung Office of the Vice President can just include, pwedeng i-include, isama ng Office of the Vice President sa liquidation reports ng kahit anong activity so long as ililabel siya na parte ng broad, good governance program. Do you want me to repeat the question or you can answer now?
Taas kayo mong
I
question,
will.
Your Honor. Pwede
repeat.
ang tawag ani, i-clarify, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Your Honor, if the court may allow, I will repeat the question.
Please,
Therefore, Madam, kasi nga walang breakdown, in draft, sa paggawa nyo ng liquidation report, pwede yung isama doon sa liquidation report ng kahit anong aktibidad so long as sasabihin nyo parte yan ng good governance program. Tama
Objection,
po
Your
ba?
Honor.
What's the basis?
What's the objection, Counsel?
Misleading and speculative, Your Honor.
How can it
It's
be
not,
misleading?
Counsel. In fact, I think that's one of the questions some of the senator judges will ask. Ma'am, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
I can ask that in
Ma'am
Bisaya.
Gina? Ma'am Gina, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
Parang duha man ka question iyang buot pasabot, attorney.
ma'am,
Ay,
Ang
Your
nilagay niyo lang
Honor.
po doon, good governance, what's that, Counsel? Programs?
Good governance program po.
Good governance program. Ang tanong po niya, so, ano man yung sabihin nila, basta sabihin good governance program, pasok na po yun doon.
Sa report po, sa report.
Sa report lang po.
Sa report na liquidation po.
Apo.
Your Honor, kung paghimo na ko og liquidation report, nagbase po ako sa fund utilization report nga gihatag sa ako sa amo ang security officer, Your Honor. Na makita dito kung asa nagasto ang kwarta unsa nga
Mhm.
mga expenses og pila, Your Honor.
So, ang pinagbabasihan niyo po yung liquidation report ng security officer na si Colonel Lachica. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Out of curiosity, may tinanggihan ba kayong liquidation report na sinubmit ni Colonel Lachica o lahat po ng binigay niya sa iyo ay tinanggap mo? Na parte ng good governance program.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Meron po ba kayong tinanggihan na liquidation na sinubmit si Colonel Lachica sa 125 million sa last quarter ng 2022? O lahat po ng sinumitin niya na liquidation, tinanggap nyo at sa pananaw nyo ay kasama ng good governance program?
Ang lahat ng mga reports na gihatag niya sa ako, Your Honor, akong gidawat, Your Honor, kay siya man ang nakabalo unsaon pag-implementar sa mga confidential activities, kay siya ang eksperto, Your Honor, dito sa ground,
So,
Your Honor.
lahat po
Kaya
ng binigay
akong
niya sa
gitawat,
inyo,
gitawat.
tinanggap nyo at kinonsidera ninyo na parte ng good governance program dahil siya naman yung nakakaalam at intindi dahil siya naman yung nasa ground. Tama po?
Inana, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So, let me continue on that point, Council, with your permission and indulgence. So, yung tree planting, good governance program po yan.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Yung tree planting, binanggit niyo po kanina, tree planting, good governance program po yan. Kasama po yun doon sa pag-liquidate?
Ang ibig sabihin, Your Honor, usa pa gihimo ang tree planting, Your Honor, na ay gihimo
Ang sinatanong ko po, ma'am, yung
security
activity,
officer, Your Honor.
yung activity na tree planting, parte po yun ng good governance sa pagkakaunawa ninyo na program. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, pero usa na gihimo, Your Honor, ang security officer, Your Honor, na ay gihimong surveillance, monitoring, Your Honor.
Nabasa ko po yun. Pati yung libreng sakay, part ng good governance. May
Yes.
surveillance din po doon. Nakita ko po sa liquidation report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay, Council, proceed.
Thank you so much. Yun yung liquidation report.
Opo.
Now, okay ba, ma? Now, the point is, punta naman tayo sa accomplishment report. Kasi nga, iba yun, di ba? Now, same line of question, but this time, different document. You can just include. Pwede niyong isulat sa accomplishment report. Kahit ano na lang activity, kahit anong activity, in the accomplishment report this time, not liquidation reports, so long as i-label nyo lang under yan ng good governance program. You want me to repeat the question, ma'am, or you can answer now?
Durag duhaman ka buka ang question nato, Your Honor.
Accomplishment report this time. Yung kanina po, nag-guess nyo na, liquidation report. Ngayon yung tanong is, sa accomplishment report naman, pareho lang. Kahit anong activity, isasama sa accomplishment report, so long as isusulat under good governance program. Tama
Council,
po ba?
can you confront the witness with the accomplishment report? Assisting
Okay,
Council, can you show her the accomplishment report? Para maunawaan ng
Opo.
testigo na ibang dokumento na ang pinag-uusapan natin. Kanina yung physical and financial plan, ngayon naman yung accomplishment report. Pakitingnan po at pag-aralan yung dokumento, Ma'am Gina. Para alam niyo po na yan ang tinutukoy ni Attorney Ligutan sa mga katanungan po niya sa inyo.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Mm.
Kaduhami naghimo og accomplishment report, Your Honor, for 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Kung dalawang beses po kayo gumawa ng accomplishment report, Ma'am Gina?
Opo, Your Honor.
Alin po yan? Yung nauna o yung sumunod?
Ang kaning gihatag sa ako, Your Honor, mao ni ang una nga gihimo, Your Honor.
Yung unang accomplishment report.
Mm.
Meron ba kayong kopya ng pangalawang accomplishment report, Attorney Ligutan?
Okay. Anyways, we can leave with one report.
Okay.
For this point, Your Honor, please.
Okay, for
I
this
think I'll
point,
ask the direct question na lang.
Sige, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, kinukumpirma mo na may mga activities sa report nyo, sa liquidation, sa accomplishment report na nabasa nyo, na hindi makikita, mababasa sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, pag himoy na
Ma'am,
mo,
this time po, I hope you don't mind po. Yung question is simple, no? So, pwede kang tanungin ng abogado ng kabila. Pero, pakisagot lang po muna.
The witness is
Yes or no?
answering, Your Honor.
Yo-
Let the witness answer.
allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
counsel.
Yes. May mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the reports, accomplishment reports, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, na ilista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan, kasi pareho kami mga Bisaya, para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then, anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you, Bisaya, taga Cebu, tulo mo diya, nakasabot. So, you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Makasabot man ta, pero ang mga tinagalog din di kasabot. But it's very simple.
yes,
So maybe that way we don't have to keep stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si ma'am, she can answer. And then Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog. If it is not like, of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you very
Senator
much.
Judge is well taken. Let's try to do that,
Okay, now.
counsels, with your permission. Yes, Attorney Bakel?
Yes, Your Honor. May we respectfully suggest for a court-appointed interpreter, considering that hindi po kasi ako Bisaya. So, actually, nahihirapan po ako to understand the witness, understand Attorney Ligutan, and understand my colleagues who are likewise.
No, if you may, if you will please, we already have an interpreter, actually 2 of them here,
Yes, sir.
that will course it through the chair if there is a need to do so. Some of the words are understandable. Anyway, kindly proceed slowly, Attorney Ligutan.
I will. So,
But on this issue and this question, Ms. Acosta, ang tanong po sa inyo, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang, kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa physical and financial plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa physical and financial plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.
Attorney Ligutan, continue.
Opo. That's a cue to the next question. And because the program indicated in the plan is broad and general, generic sabi nyo, so much discretion is given to the office of the Vice President on how to utilize confidential funds. Translate into Tagalog. Unfortunately, I'll be needing, ano pong ibig sabihin, what's Tagalog for discretion po? Kasi nga, broad, general, yung program nakasulat sa PFP. Okay? Maski ano na lang, kahit anong gustong gawin, magagawa. Wait, nakitan. Ng Office of the Vice President sa paggamit ng confidential funds. You want to state in Visaya po? Kay tungod, general, generic, ang programa nakasulat sa plano bisag unsa. So much discretion. Ma'am, I think you understand discretion, di po ba?
Authority?
Dako ang pagbuot sa Office of the Vice President kung unsaon nila paggamit sa confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Objection,
Dili,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
What's the objection, counsel?
Speculative and argumentative, Your Honor.
It's not argumentative, counsel. Neither is it speculative. Objection overruled. Ma'am Gina, dahil po kayo nagsabi generic yung good governance program, malaking laya ang nabigay sa inyo para magsulat ng kung anumang mga programa na papasok doon sa generic na good governance program.
Dili, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi.
nagbase ako sa Joint Circular 2015.
So ang sagot ay hindi ganun kalaki ang kalayaang meron sila dahil binase niya yung kanyang accomplishment report sa JC 2015-1. Tama po, ma'am?
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney
Sid.
Ligutan.
now, showing you again, Madam Witness, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan. After you prepared the plan, nakasulat dyan, show the document please, it was noted, Attorney J, noted by a certain Rosalyn Sanchez. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mhm. Yes, Your Honor. The document, please. And thereafter, you presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Gipakita na ko sa iya.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic good governance program? Katong imong gipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval.
Gibasa lang niya, Your Honor, pag human og basa, perma siya.
Yan. Saan po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by. Showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po noong November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary, and she's a government official, she doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo.
Sumisigaw na naman to. Nag-isali ka na naman dyan. Kayo talagang magkapatid kayo, nag-iisali kayo dyan. Ano tawag dito, gumagawa kayo ng gumagawa ng senaryo dyan, di ba? Nag-iiskandalo kayo. Pwedeng magsalita ng di sumisigaw, Bendalo. Ha?
O may authority, special dispersing officer, kasi po wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Miss Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. E abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan,
Opo,
as I'm
opo.
sure
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para
Yes,
mas maunawaan po
Mr.
ni Ms.
Presiding,
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Ma'am, tubig. There's water if you want to drink water po, ha?
Yes.
Drink water. Now, since you said inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance program.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of that transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po ng head of agency at saka yung head of agency is the respondent in this case, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the physical and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From Good Governance Program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na good governance program, kundi nakasulat dyan, socio-economic program delivery.
With the indulgence of counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in on it.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm ang nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung socio-economic program delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po good governance program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But, sa 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman nananatili 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022. Same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, po pwedeng mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha? If you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng Physical and Financial Plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban dun sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Now, proceed. Same with budget for each quarter. Para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, 125 billion pesos. Para naman sa budget na hinihingi ng Office of the Vice President para sa unang quarter, pangalawang quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter ng 2023, ma'am. Kopyang-kopya yung amount. 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor, kay mao man na ang nakabutang sa GAA, Your Honor.
Yun. Proceed, Your Honor.
You may tama daw dahil yun daw ang nakalagay sa GA.
Both the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan and the 2023 version provided for broad program under po sa programs, activities, and projects. Sa 2022, Good Governance Program. Sa 2023 naman, Socio-Economic Program. Pero as to budget, pareho. Yes or no?
Pareho, Your Honor.
As to expected outcome, pareho.
Pareho, Your Honor.
All right. Now, let's go to this physical target naman. In the 2023 Physical Plan, same observation ba, ma'am? Na nakasulat dyan, letter A, number, identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored without, hindi po nakasulat dyan yung actual na numero. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Same with the letter B entry, percentage. Nakasulat dyan, percentage, the symbol symbolizing percentage of activities implemented without and toward security-related incidents without stating the actual percentage. Tama po ba? Walang number.
Tama po, Your
All
Honor.
right. In fact, you admitted, Madam, in the November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing that you have to consult Colonel Lachica on what to put in the Physical and Financial Plan. Do you remember this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan. The programs, yung programa po, yung mga ini-expect nating resulta sa mga programa, yung mga targets ng mga plano, lahat ng ito ay gawa, ay galing kay Colonel Lachica. Di po ba?
Unsa to, Your Honor?
Mhm.
Ay, sorry, sorry.
I will repeat.
Kindly repeat, Counsel.
Tan.
Ang programa sa plano, ang expected outcome, ang target sa physical plan, galing kay Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Oh,
Honor.
what's the objection?
What's the
Ask and
objection, counsel?
Asked and answered, Your Honor. The
Oh.
witnesses already testified previously that security officer is providing inputs and guidance.
This is
Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
I think the question pertains to 2023 now. That was
Yes.
she answered with respect to 2022. Ma'am Gina, yung nangyari po ba ng 2022, ganun din po sa 2023, galing kay Colonel Lachica?
Sa paggawa ng physical financial plan, Your Honor, kasama gyapon ako siya. Kasama ko siya, Your Honor. Sa kanya pa rin ako nanghingi ng inputs and guidelines po, Your Honor.
Yes.
So galing nga po sa kanya. Galing
Kaming-
kay Colonel Lachica yung inyong inputs na nilagay dito.
Kaming dalawa po, Your Honor, ang nag-discuss, Your Honors.
Mhm.
Counsel, your witness.
Let's go to that November 25, 2024 hearing. Ma'am, tinanong ka ni Representative Jane K. Luistro. As a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear at all the signature of or the name of Colonel Lachica. Ma'am, yung sagot nyo dyan, yes po. Pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all these projects included in the confidential funds. This is what you said under oath in November 25, 2024. Under oath.
Opo.
Tama po ba? Your Honor, please. Ma'am, did you answer? Opo?
Opo.
Opo, ma'am. Your Honor, it's 12. Can I ask one question and I move for lunch break?
Yes, counsel, you
Before
may.
we proceed to the next question. Ito yung tanong now. Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Ay, yes, attorney.
opo. Sa lahat ng mga dokumento isinumitin nyo sa COA, Commission on Audit, the plan, accomplishment reports, liquidation reports, nakasaad ba dyan sa kahit anong dokumento yung sinasabi nyo na lahat ng inputs, yung sinulat nyo sa plano, lahat ng inputs sinulat nyo sa reporting to COA, nakasaad ba dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel Lachica? Yes or
Objection,
no?
Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your
Honor,
Honor.
that's a question the public is very much willing to hear.
Witness may answer. Counsel, let the witness answer. I think
Yes
she
or
knows
no?
the answer anyway.
Yes or no?
Tama ba pag understand ko sa question mo, Your Honor, na sa lahat ng mga dokumento na isubmit ko
Plano,
sa
physical plan, ma'am.
physical plan,
Okay, sa accomplishment report
accomplishment
mismo,
report,
sa liquidation
sa
report,
liquidation report.
sa certification na successful yung paggamit, tama yung paggamit ng plano. May isang dokumento ba doon? Ma'am, limited po tayo doon, ha? Na ipinakita nyo sa publiko na si Colonel Lachica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng input sa mga plano, saka siya yung nag-implement ng mga programs, activities. Meron ba doon? Yes or no?
Wala.
Move for lunch break, or please.
Ma'am Gina, kain muna tayo para makahinga at relax kayo. Ng
Sige
konti
po.
rin.
Mas better po, attorney. Ay, Your Honor.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Huwag kayong mag-alala doon. Pahinga muna kayo, kain tayo. The court will declare a lunch recess. We shall resume at 12:45.
Howard, mga kabayan, abangan ho natin itong parte dito ng Day 16 impeachment trial. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa ating channel. God bless po sa ating lahat.